हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 6 साइंस का 16 चैप्टर द यूनिवर्स, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से नेम दिस। फर्स्ट है बर्थप्लेस ऑफ स्टार्स। आंसर ह्यूज नेबुली मेड अप ऑफ डस्ट पार्टिकल एंड गैसेस। सेकंड बिगेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम। आंसर है जुपिटर। थर्ड द गैलेक्सी विच इज अवर नाइबर। आंसर एंड्रोमेडा। Fourth, brightest planet in the solar system. Answer is Venus. Fifth, planet with largest number of satellites. Answer Jupiter. Sixth, planets without a single satellite. Answer Mercury and Venus. Seven, planet with a rotation different from other planets. Answer is Venus. Eight, a celestial body of the carries a tail along. Answer comet. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन से फिलिंग इन द ब्लैंक्स। उसमें फर्स्ट है द ग्रुप ऑफ गैलेक्सीज ऑफ विच और मिल्की वे इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इज कॉल्ड लोकल ग्रुप। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। सेकेंड, कॉमेट्स आर मेड ऑफ फ्रोजन मैटर एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल। थर्ड, द प्लैनेट यूरेनस appears as if it is rolling along its orbit. Fourth, Jupiter is a stormy planet. Fifth, the pole star is the best example of variable types of star. Say if the statement given below are right or wrong. Rewrite the statement after correcting them. First, Venus is the planet closest to the Sun. Answer wrong. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. B. Mercury is called a stormy planet. Answer wrong. Jupiter is called a stormy planet. C. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Answer right. Fourth question say answer the following. First, what is the special characteristics of the planet Mars? तो planet Mars के following characteristics है. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. Second, it appears reddish as the soil on the Mars contains iron. Hence, it is also known as the red planet. Third, the highest and largest mountain in our solar system called Olympus Mons is present on the planet Mars. Fourth, Mars has two satellites. Its rotation is about 24 hours and takes about 1.88 years to revolve around the Sun. B. What are the types of galaxies? Answer. The types of galaxies are according to their shapes. These are spiral, elliptical, bare, spiral and irregular. सी क्वेश्चन है विच सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज डज अ गैलेक्सी इंक्लूड। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। आंसर अ गैलेक्सी इंक्लूड्स innumerable stars and their planetary system. It has many celestial bodies such as clusters of stars, nebulae, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead star, newly born star, etc. The Milky Way is our galaxy in which our solar system is included. It has planets, satellites, asteroids, dwarf planets, and meteors. D question say name the different types of stars. Answer there is a great variety in stars. Some are very bright, some are faint. There are many colors among the stars. Example blue, white, yellow, and reddish. Some stars have varying brightness. Their luminance changes constantly. According to these characters, the stars are of the following subtypes: sun-like stars, red giant stars, supernova, binary of twin star, and variable stars. E question say, what are the types of comets and over what basis are they classified? Answer, comets are of two types. First, long period comets and second, short period comets. This classification is based on the time taken by them to make a complete revolution around the sun. Long period comets takes more than 200 years for a revolution, while short period comets take less than 200 years to make one revolution around the sun. If questions say, what is the difference between meteors and meteorites? Answer: meteors are rocky pieces originating from the asteroid belts. Smaller rocky pieces are completely burned due to friction with air when they enter the Earth's atmospheric layer. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. सेकंड है meteorites are the rocky pieces that do not burn completely but fall down to the surface of the Earth. जी है, what are the characteristics of the planet Neptune? Answer: Neptune is the 8th planet of our solar system. Second, one season of the Neptune planet lasts for about 41 years. Third, the winds blow at very high speed of Neptune. Fourth, Neptune has 13 satellites. It takes approximately 16 hours and 11 minutes to rotate around itself and 164 years for one revolution around the sun. Fifth, match the following: Group A and Group B. Galaxy, Spiral, Comet, Halley, Sun-like star, Sirius, Saturn, 33 satellites are Venus from east to west.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 6वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.